So the new building will host a lot of the admin staff for transportation. It will also house our White Fleet division for our small vehicles and our nutrition service vehicles. And then we'll also have our mechanics for the Yellow Fleet, all the buses. And then also dispatch is moving here from South Transportation. New conference room, new large training room. They have a new break room with all the amenities. All the office spaces and the building in general has lots of natural light. They're going to have nice roll-up coiling doors, and they'll be able to lift the buses fully now. A crane in the work area so they can lift the heavier things. The access road around the back currently holds all of our buses while we're working on the rest of the building. So we can still occupy the site, and it's still a functional site while we're building this new building.
Worked out a good system. That was the big push to get what's called phase one. They have easy access to and fro, and we stay out of their way and they stay out of ours. Right now we have our subs, which are called MEP subs, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. On an average, we're 30 to 35 people. Some days we might only have 10 to 15. It depends on the cycle and what's going on throughout the periodic part of the job.
There'll be a lot more parking for all the bus drivers' cars. There'll be office staff parking. There's going to be shop parking. So this phase will be done pretty close to the end of March, and then they will move in and we will start phase 3, which is taking down the existing facility and creating the bus parking area. It should be completed by August 1st, right before the start of school year.